Did you know that right now there are over 27,000 pieces of space debris larger than a softball floating around Earth? That's enough junk to fill an entire football field. But here's the kicker. These aren't just harmless scrap. They're hurtling through space at speeds of up to 17,500 miles per hour. At those velocities, even something as small as a paint chip can cause catastrophic damage to satellites or spacecraft. Welcome to the reality of space junk, a growing problem that could threaten humanity's future in space. What is space junk? Space junk, also known as orbital debris, refers to all the man-made objects left behind in space that no longer serve any useful purpose. This includes defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, fragments from collisions, and even tools dropped by astronauts during spacewalks. It might sound like science fiction, but this is very much a real issue. The first piece of space junk was created way back in 1958 when the United States launched its first satellite, Explorer 1. Since then, humans have sent thousands of objects into space, and not everything has come back down. Some have broken apart, collided with other objects, or simply stopped working altogether. Over time, these useless remnants have accumulated, creating a cluttered environment in low Earth orbit and beyond. Why should we care about space junk? To answer this, imagine driving on a highway filled with abandoned cars. Now picture those cars traveling 10 times faster than a bullet. That's essentially what's happening in space. Here's why it's such a big deal. 1. Threat to satellites and spacecraft. Satellites play a critical role in our daily lives. From GPS navigation to weather forecasting to global communication networks, they're essential for modern society. But every piece of space junk poses a risk to these vital systems. Even tiny fragments can punch holes through solar panels, damage antennas, or disable critical components. In fact, in 2016, a tiny fleck of paint traveling at high speed hit one of the windows of the International Space Station, ISS. The impact cracked the glass, forcing astronauts to replace the entire window pane. Imagine if that had been a larger object. 2. Risk to human life. While most space missions involve unmanned vehicles, human spaceflight is becoming more common thanks to private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin. Every astronaut aboard the ISS or on future missions to the Moon and Mars relies on safe passage through space. Collisions with space debris could put their lives in danger. 3. Kessler Syndrome. A vicious cycle. One of the biggest fears among scientists is something called the Kessler Syndrome. Named after NASA scientist Donald Kessler, this scenario describes a chain reaction where collisions between objects create even more debris, leading to further collisions. If this happens, entire orbits could become unusable, effectively trapping us on Earth and cutting off access to space. Think about it. A cascade of destruction spreading uncontrollably across the skies. Sounds like the plot of a Hollywood blockbuster, doesn't it? Unfortunately, it's a very real possibility. How did we get here? To understand the scale of the problem, let's take a step back and look at how we got here. When the space age began in the late 1950s, nobody thought much about cleaning up after themselves. After all, space seemed infinite. Who would have guessed that a few decades later, we'd be dealing with tens of thousands of pieces of trash? Here are some key contributors to the space junk crisis. 1. Dead satellites. Many satellites reach the end of their operational life but remain in orbit indefinitely because they weren't designed to deorbit safely. These zombie satellites add to the growing pile of debris. 2. Rocket stages. When rockets launch payloads into space, their upper stages often remain in orbit instead of falling back to Earth. Over time, these massive structures break apart due to stress or collisions. 3. Anti-satellite weapons testing. Some countries have conducted tests using missiles to destroy their own satellites. While intended to demonstrate military capabilities, these actions have generated thousands of new pieces of debris. For example, China's 2007 anti-satellite test created over 3,000 trackable fragments and countless smaller ones that are impossible to monitor. 4. Accidental collisions. Collisions between objects in space are rare but devastating. In 2009, a defunct Russian satellite crashed into an operational U.S. communications satellite, creating nearly 2,000 new pieces of debris. Events like this compound the problem exponentially. Tracking space junk? You might be wondering, if space junk is such a huge problem, why don't we just clean it up? Well, it's not that simple. First, we need to know where it is. Organizations like NASA and the European Space Agency use ground-based radars and telescopes to track large pieces of debris. However, smaller fragments, some less than a millimeter wide, are virtually invisible and still pose significant risks. Currently, there are about 27,000 pieces of debris larger than 10 centimeters being tracked. But estimates suggest there are millions of smaller fragments out there, each capable of causing serious damage. Without accurate tracking, removing space junk becomes nearly impossible. Solutions to the space junk problem? Now that we've covered the challenges, let's talk solutions. Scientists and engineers around the world are working hard to tackle this issue. Here are some promising ideas. Design for de-orbiting. One of the simplest ways to prevent future space junk is to ensure that new satellites and rockets are built with mechanisms to de-orbit safely once they're no longer needed. This could involve equipping them with propulsion systems to guide them back into Earth's atmosphere, where they'll burn up harmlessly. 2. Active debris removal. Several companies and space agencies are developing technologies to actively remove existing debris. One concept involves using robotic arms or nets to capture defunct satellites and bring them back to Earth. Another idea is to deploy harpoons or lasers to nudge debris into lower orbits where they'll eventually burn up. For instance, the European Space Agency recently funded a mission called Clear Space 1, which aims to remove a large piece of space junk using a claw-like mechanism. If successful, this could pave the way for larger-scale cleanup efforts. 3. Space traffic management. Just like air traffic controllers manage planes in the sky, space traffic management systems could help coordinate the movement of objects in orbit. By sharing data and coordinating launches, operators can reduce the risk of collisions and keep space safer for everyone. 4. Sustainable practices. Governments and private companies must adopt sustainable practices to minimize the creation of new debris. This includes designing satellites to last longer, avoiding unnecessary explosions, and adhering to international guidelines for responsible behavior in space. 5. Recycling in space. What if we could turn space junk into something useful? Researchers are exploring ways to recycle materials from old satellites and rocket parts to build new structures in space. Not only would this reduce waste, but could also save money and resources. The bigger picture. At the end of the day, space junk isn't just a technical problem. It's a reflection of how we treat our environment, both on Earth and beyond. As we venture further into the cosmos, we have a responsibility to protect the final frontier from the same mistakes we've made on our home planet. Cleaning up space junk won't be easy, and it won't happen overnight. But with collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to sustainability, we can ensure that future generations inherit a clean and accessible universe. Space junk may seem like a distant, abstract problem, but it affects all of us. Whether you're checking your phone's GPS, watching TV, or dreaming of someday traveling to Mars, the health of our orbital environment matters. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that above the twinkling stars lies a hidden threat and an opportunity for humanity to rise to the challenge. Together, we can turn the tide on space junk and secure a brighter future for exploration. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep looking up.